Hello and happy hump day. I wanted to jump on and continue my conversation about cognitive distortions. Today I wanted to talk about black and white or all or nothing thinking. So this is when a person has difficulty seeing the positive and the negative in a person or seeing the gray areas in a situation. It is everything is good or everything is bad. All of these things are happening or nothing is happening. And they have difficulty seeing that someone can be good and have negative behaviors. Or sometimes something can happen. It's not always or never. So this is the black and white thinking or all or nothing thinking. This really can affect someone's self-esteem because they may begin to believe that because they did something that they consider to be a bad thing, that they are a bad person, even if their behavior is positive in every other way. They will say, well, I'm a bad person because I lied to my friend because I didn't want to hurt her feelings, and lying is a bad thing, so I'm a bad person. That's black or white thinking. They don't see the gray area. The way to combat this cognitive distortion is to really be mindful of each situation. And again, to ask yourself these questions. Is that really true? Hold them up to the judge, like I say, and you can be the judge and say, is that really true? Does this always happen in my life? Every day? All of the time? Or has it only happened once? Outside of one person saying something to you, has it happened with multiple people? So again, you have to stop and you have to question. Are these things true? Are you truly a bad person because of this one thing that happened? And that's how we work on combating that cognitive distortion. It is a more difficult one because sometimes those thoughts become what I call a core belief. That is something that really has to be looked at and processed. But the way to begin looking at it is to question those negative thoughts, those black or white, it's good or bad, it's all or nothing. So let me know, do you feel that you have black and white thinking or all or nothing thinking? Have you caught yourself saying this always happens, this will never change, I am bad, this person is bad? Sometimes parents say, oh, that kid is so bad. And it's like, oh, no, it's not the child who's bad. It's his behavior. So let me know. Leave me a message. And remember that if you change your mind, you change your mood.